Renold manufacture a wide range of freewheel devices. These include Sprag, trapped roller and ball bearing types, either as standard catalogue products or customized designs to your exact requirements. Many major global companies trust and rely on Renold for their freewheel solutions. They are used in a wide range of applications in many industries. These include printing, packaging, food and beverage, leisure and material handling industries. Renold offer a complete range of high-quality trapped roller clutches, which have three basic operations: overrunning, indexing and backstopping. Trapped roller clutches consist of a cylindrical outer race, an inner race with ramps and individually sprung rollers. The rollers rotate during freewheeling, and the springs ensure that they are held in contact with the outer race and inner race ramp at all times. This permits freewheeling rotation in the drive direction. Any movement in the opposite direction causes the rollers to lock against the outer race and inner race ramp to prevent any reverse rotation. This locking action ensures instantaneous, safe backstopping performance. Renold trapped roller clutches are 100% interchangeable with other manufacturers and are available off the shelf, ready for immediate delivery and fitting. Renold has highly experienced engineers in place around the world that offer exceptional backup to complement the quality of its freewheel products. Be safe, get it right, fit Renold for life.